Welcome back to MaCoSys. In the previous video, we have looked how you can apply for the proper examination. In this video, we will practice how you can apply for the repeat examination. As previously mentioned, click on this login button and enter your relevant username and password. After successful login, click on this apply examination. In here you can see what are the examination you can able to apply. So now we are going to apply for the repeat examination. So click on this apply button. In section 1, your personal details will be available. Make sure all the details are correct. And in the second section, you can able to see all the courses that you can able to apply for the repeat examination. For example, if I want to apply for this financial accounting too, first we have to check this checkbox and then we have to select the attempt. It can be 1, 2, 3 or 4 or else the medical attempt. For now I'm selecting the attempt as 2 and then I have to select the reason. It can be upgrading the result, failed, absent, not eligible or offense. So now I'm going to upgrade my result, so I'm selecting this upgrade. For next, I want to apply for this business mathematics and statistics. I have to check this checkbox and select the attempt as 3. The reason for the third attempt is failed. Now I'm going to apply for this business economics. So I'm selecting this checkbox and the attempt is medical attempt. So I'm selecting this MC and the reason was absent. After selecting all the courses that you want to apply for the repeat examination, scroll down and check the total credit whether you have selected correctly. After that, check the student status. It should be repeat candidate. And then what you have to do is you have to select the deposit slip. After making the payment in the bank, take a photo of it and click on this choose file and then you have to select the slip and open. And also here you have to mention the deposit details. Now I'm selecting the date as 30th of January and select this declaration statement. After that you can click on this apply button. You can get a successful message in your top, and in the bottom bar you can able to see what are the courses you have applied for the repeat examination and your eligibility for the exam. And then what you have to do is you have to click on this download submission PDF, open it. In the first page of your PDF, you can able to see all the courses that are attempt 1, 2, or 3. And in the second PDF, you can able to see the medical attempt or the mercy attempt. After getting this PDF, you have to make a printout of this PDF. If you have applied for the mercy or the medical attempt, in this table, you can see these two columns, date of the Senate meeting and the number of the Senate meeting. You have to fill the date of the Senate meeting and the number of the Senate meeting. After that, you can hand over this PDF in the Dean's office. Thank you.